What's up guys and welcome back to another video on the Broken Low Garage YouTube channel once again. Today we have a few things going on at the garage. One being Mr. KFkulture over there taking pictures of me, as you guys can see. So one of the things that we also need to do, as you guys probably can tell by the title of today's video, we are installing a set of max track coilovers into my Honda Ballade. I want the suspension to be stiffened up. I also want to get the car on a nice level and also be able to adjust it up and down. I went for a second-hand set of max track coilovers because I got it for a good deal. And personally, I prefer max tracks because they lay without having to customize anything on the coilover or cut anything. The point of the coilovers is not to slam the car, but the point is to get the car on a decent height and for me to actually have the option of actually adjusting the height. So yeah, let's get straight into today's video. As you guys can see, I finally have the car fully on jack stands, the front and the rear. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the wheels off, get the front struts out. I'll probably, as I take the fronts out, put the coilovers in. That shouldn't be take too long. As you guys saw now, we got the coilovers finally installed. There is the old stuff that was in the car. What we are gonna do now is we're just gonna put the wheels back on, put the car on the floor and see how low it actually is on the side. As you guys can see, there is still a lot of thread left there on the coilover. So I'm not gonna turn it down today because I don't have a set of coilover keys for the coilovers, but we're gonna put the car on the ground and just see how it sits for now. As you guys can see, we got the wheels on. So guys, as you saw, the coilovers are in the car and the car is back on the floor. We will not be doing anything else with the car in this video. Like I said, I just put the coilovers in the car to have the coilovers in the car. It's not to slam the car. I will first get the set of coilover keys. Jared is here, but Jared didn't manage to bring the coilover keys. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that piece of the video. I don't know exactly what is going to be happening after this, but whatever is coming now, enjoy. What we've got here, guys, is a Yamaha BWS that we resprayed for Vino, and it was red before and it had some really bad damage. I'll throw a picture on the screen for you guys to see how it looked before we sprayed it this custom Nara grey, and then we did the, what do you call the stuff, you know, handle covers, no? Yeah. We did the handle covers also in a custom yellow. So what Vino is now at the moment busy doing is we laminate the headlights. Quality is not.
Quality is backyard.
So he's gonna assemble the bike again and then we're gonna take it for a few rubs. But also on that, I actually want to show you guys something that we have here in at the shop. And let's just say it's the first Japanese import that we've ever had at the shop. So guys, what we have here is a Suzuki UZ50, an actual import from Japan. What's so cool for me is the fact that the book is all in Japanese. So technically it means nothing, but I just thought that this was really cool and I wanted to share this with you guys. Vino is now finally done with his laminating of the headlights and it actually doesn't look too bad on the bike.
Shut up, close. Nog een look zelfs met een lemon next, no?
Does look nice, bro. Kijk hier, that. What is it? 110, no? 100cc.
100cc.
100cc two-stroke. And then we have the 50, little 50cc here.
4-stroke.
In a race, who do you guys think will take it? 4-stroke, two-stroke? Obviously his engine is twice the size of this lot. But comment down below. We're gonna see now. Think I'll take his that?
Definitely gonna take it down.
A shout out to KFkulture, Mr. Young Weezer over here behind me, for coming out and spending a day with us, taking some fire shots, which you guys will see shortly, probably on Facebook, Instagram, or over on the socials. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to KFkulture on YouTube, guys. They also have a YouTube channel with cinematics and podcasts and artists and all types of dope.
So a lot of stuff.
So yeah, please do check them out. I'll leave the description. I will leave the link to the channel in the description down below. Okay. Here it juice. But it was fun though. That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to give us a big like, and please don't forget to subscribe. We are steadily on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and we are really excited to be hitting 10,000 because we are planning something fun for 10,000 subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe. And then also I just want to give a huge shout out once again to KFkulture for coming out yesterday and spending the day with us shooting content for our social media pages. Yeah, KFkulture is one of the big reasons why this channel actually exists today. So once again, thank you to you, Mr. Young Weezer, for coming out and shooting with us and for everything that you do for this channel. I also can't forget to give Mr. Late Shane a shout out in this video because he's actually the one that hooked me up with that specific set of coilovers that we installed in my Honda yesterday. It turns out that my coilover keys are at Shane's house. He just forgot to give it to me the night when I fixed my coilovers from him. So I will get that soon and we will get the Honda slammed very soon. But see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.